Hi everybody, this is the dryer vent on the side of my house, and here's a good maintenance tip. Periodically, these vents need to be cleaned out because they trap lint. It's pretty easy to do. You just have to grab the front of the filter trap and pull it out, and there's the lint that's accumulated over about 6 months. So it's not a whole lot, but it's important to clean this out. And then up inside the vent, you can just reach up and grab the pieces of lint out to clean it. And sometimes you might have to wipe the lint off of the filter if it gets stuck on there. And to finish it up, just wipe it off in the grass. And there we go. Good as new. And I can just slide this back in, and it's ready to go. So not something that has to be done often, but it's an important maintenance step for any homeowner. So pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.